This is our expanded container house. One room opens into 3 rooms. The size before expansion is 5,900 by 2,200 by 2,480 millimeters. And after expansion, it is 5,900 by 63 million 2,480 m. It is expanded from a standard 20-foot container house to a container house with 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, and 1 bathroom. It is convenient for transportation before expansion. It is easy to use after expansion, and installation only takes 10 minutes. Open the roof. Then open the floor. Lift the side walls, and finally install the front and rear walls. The same process applies to the other side. Open the roof, then open the floor. Lift the side walls, and finally install the front and rear walls. The expandable container has folding complete. Doors, windows, floor, kitchens, bathrooms, water supply and drainage all available. Exterior colors, etc. As you see, everything can be customized upon request. The door is a KFC door, different from the plastic steel windows commonly equipped on the market. The windows we equip are aluminum alloy windows with better quality.